So I was watching the video the other day. If I can remember the channel, I'll put it up there now. But he was actually doing active track in sports mode. Now, I didn't think you could do it. If you did put it in sports mode, what tends to happen, it knocks off the avoidance. But hey, we're going to give this a go. Yeah. So anyway, first thing we've got to do, guys, we've got to put the drone up in the air. Okay, so I'm going to get the drone in the air.
Take off.
So the drone's in the air.
Home point updated.
Yep. Okay, I'm just going to bring it around a bit. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer towards me. It's a little bit windy. Just what you need. Just what you don't need. Okay, so we put in active track, we got in manual, we got go, and what you do now, you put the switch over. So it's in sports mode, but if you notice at the top, the avoidance is on, which is good. So anyway, we're going to try it out first. We're just going to do a couple of things first. Okay. There's a tree there. Just what I don't need. Gonna shoot the drone back. Camera's in the way. Okay, let's bring it. So that just proves, I've got it on sports at the moment. That's it. So he's just doing a, okay. So yeah, that works, doesn't it? I'm pretty amazed with that. So, wasn't that fun? I'm gonna have to do a little bit more of that. Obviously, I haven't done it where you got trees and bushes, but I just want to sit out in the open. But you can, but guys, be careful. You can do active track in sports mode, but you've got to be careful. So you can see, I'm going to be making another video very soon where we'll probably go in and out of trees in sports mode. Am I being sensible here? I don't know. Anyway, as always, guys, I'll catch you on another video very soon.